Hi, Jessie.
Hello, teacher.
Wow, hello. Good evening, Jessie. And welcome again to our class for today. Wow, you tied your hair. You're so beautiful right now. You look so pretty. How are you today?
Yeah.
I'm good, very good. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat fish and egg and rice.
Wow, fish and egg and rice?
Hmm. Hmm.
Wow, that's very delicious. And are you
What
ready?
did you eat?
Oh, me? What did I eat today? I eat fried chicken and rice.
My chicken.
Yes. Yes, I eat fried chicken. My favorite food is fried chicken. How about you? What's your favorite food?
Hmm. Pizza and pizza and hamburger and cheese.
Oh, oh, pizza, hamburger, and cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, those are very delicious. Wow, same. I also love pizza, especially if
And yogurt too.
yogurt.
Yes.
Or really, you drink yogurt? Wow, it's healthy for our body, yogurt. Well, that's good to know that you drink yogurt. Okay, so good to know, and thank you so much for sharing your favorite food and what did you eat for today. So now, let's start our new lesson for today because for our lesson, we will talk about a story. So we are in lesson 3, which is a story about, let's check. Okay, so the title of our story is My Turn. Can you say it? My Okay, very good. My turn. So let's find out what happened in these pictures and let's listen to the story. So let me just open the sound.
Page 28. Lesson 3. Story.
Story.
A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. My turn.
My turn. Oh,
Oh no! It's my turn.
No, it's my turn.
Oops! Julie, it's your turn.
Thank you.
Good job, Julie!
okay, again, let's listen one more time to our story about my turn. And after that, we will read the story.
Story. A. About the pictures. Then listen and read. My turn.
My turn. Oh no,
Oh no! It's my turn.
it's my
No,
turn.
it's my turn.
Oops! Julie, it's your turn.
Thank you.
Good job, Julie!
Okay, so that's it for our story. But first, before we read our story, Jessie, what can you see in the picture? What can you
I,
see? Hmm.
I see a juice. I see a pig. I see a ball and a people.
Wow, very good. I see a
Birthday,
ball.
birthday for Charlie. Charlie.
Yes. And what do you think is happening in the picture? It
Hmm.
is.
This
Hmm.
is Happy Birthday, Charlie.
Yes, very good. So it is Julie's birthday. And
Mm.
this one is Julie, the one with the crown. So it's her birthday. And when it's your birthday, so you have gifts. Like this, Julie has gifts. How about this one? What kind of ball is this, Jessie?
Is
Is it a football? Is it a baseball? Or is it a basketball?
I think hmm,
Basketball, football, or baseball? Because we have here a hoop. This is where we shoot. We shoot the ball. This ball. So we will shoot it in the hoop. Now, what is the sport that we shoot the ball in the hoop? So we call it as, this one is basketball. So
Basketball.
yes, very good. Do you know how to play basketball? Basketball? Oh,
Yes, yes.
yes. Wow. Who do you play basketball with? Do you play?
I
Do you?
play, I play with my teacher
Oh,
in
teacher.
my in my bin in my phone.
Oh,
Name is phone.
oh, really? Wow, that's good to know. And do you like playing basketball?
No,
I know. What do you like to play?
I I can play football.
Oh, football, really? You know how to play football?
Yes, kick, kick,
Kick the ball. Wow, very good. That's good to
easy.
know. Who do you play football with? Do you play with your brother?
No,
I know. Who do you play with? Do you play with
with
your
my friends in my school.
Oh, with your friends in your school? I see. Are they also girls or they are
They
boys?
are boys and girls too.
Oh, wow, that's good to know. Okay, so again, this is basketball. And now let's read the story
My
again.
turn, your turn, my turn, your
Uh,
turn.
okay, so now let's read our
Be
story.
friends.
Be fair. Okay, let's read first this one. Let's say, oh
Oh
no.
no,
Oh
it's
no.
my turn. No, it's
No.
my turn. Shirley,
Oops.
it's your turn. Thank you.
Okay.
Oof,
Oops.
good job, Shirley.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at again the story. So this one is it's Julie's birthday. A-
Birthday.
And this is Julie's friends. This is Emma, Danny, and
And
Sam. So
now.
yes,
Oh,
this is
I have one friend in my school.
yes.
Sam.
Oh, Sam is the name of your friend?
Yeah, it's a girl.
Ah, it's a
She
girl.
she draw is very very pretty.
Oh, she's very, very pretty. Wow. And you are also very, very pretty.
No,
Oh,
she draw.
she draws.
Yes,
Oh, she likes to draw. And it's very beautiful.
yeah.
Oh, really? Wow.
Mm.
What are the things that she draw?
She like she like to draw a princess.
Oh, really, princess? How about you? Do you like to draw?
Yes.
Ah, yes. What do you like to draw? Do you also draw
Mm.
princess? Or do you
No.
draw animals?
Mm.
Oh, what do you like to draw? Do you like to draw houses?
No.
Oh, what do you like to draw?
I did.
Flowers. Hmm?
No.
No. What do you draw? So teacher, I like to draw flowers. Yeah, especially pink flowers
I
because I
like
like
to
pink.
draw.
Oh, I know. I know what do you like to draw? Do you like to draw rainbow?
No, I don't.
I know. Rainbow Rainbow is your favorite, right?
Yes, but I don't like to draw.
Oh, really? What do you like to draw?
Draw. You think? You think?
Hmm, do you like to draw trees?
No, I don't.
No. Do you like to draw toys? Do,
Mm,
do you like to draw toys like this?
no,
Toys. I know. Hmm. What do you like to draw? Do you like to draw yourself?
I like to draw a flower in sky and so
Oh,
many and so
wow.
many.
Wow. What are the colors that you like to draw? Those flowers, or you like to color those flowers?
Flower in
Yes. What in the
sky.
in the sky? What
But
colors?
this one I like so much.
Oh, really?
The earth. The earth and
Oh,
heart is star a shape. I like to draw a shape.
shape,
Shape.
shape, a shape, shape
Mhm. Yeah.
like this. Oh, really? What shape do you like to draw? Do you like to draw heart? Heart.
Heart and the diamond.
Triangle? Diamond? Oh, like
And
this.
star.
Oh, star. I can
Ah.
do it. I can do it in my hand, star. It's so hard. I will just draw it like this. How do you draw your star? Like this?
No.
Or like this?
Look like this.
I cannot draw well. Oh no, wait, it's not. It's so ugly. Oh no. Like this?
Yes.
It's so it's so ugly. I cannot draw a star here.
Yeah,
Like that.
but
I
I want to draw so many things.
many stars.
Many things.
Many things. Oh, what are those things that you like to draw? Aside from shapes, aside from flowers, do you like to draw your mommy and daddy?
Today is a special day.
Oh, what is that? Is that a song?
Today is a special day. It's a night. It's a hard and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, that's a happy birthday song?
Yay!
Oh, really? Because birthday song here is different. So it goes like this. Happy birthday to you. Is it like that in your country? Happy birthday to you. Is it like that? Oh,
No,
it's
no,
different.
no.
No, no, no. It's not like that. That's how we sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Like that.
Yes, but I have one play in one game in my birthday. I play
Oh,
it so many
you
with
play many.
my friend and my daughter and my sister.
Oh, really? Oh, you have a sister? Oh,
Uh-huh.
really? I thought you
Really.
only I thought you only have brother.
She name is Dao. Dao.
Dao. Dao. Oh, and
Yes.
your name is Suar, right?
No.
Ah,
C.
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 No.
Ah,
S.
S.
E.
E.
No. I.
I. Oh, it's I. C.
C. Yes.
Oh, your name is C.
Yes. My name is House.
Oh, okay.
In
How
my
about
in my school, my name is Lindan or Jessie.
Lindan?
Yes.
Oh, really? I also have another student. Her name is Lindan. Yeah, but she is older than you.
What is she name? What is she name?
My student,
Yes.
like this. Her name is Lindan, like this.
But what is how she name?
What her name?
In your
Oh, this is
in
her name.
her name in house. In
In
house.
house? Oh, in-house? Yes. Her name in-house is Dan. They call her Dan. Yeah. But but I don't know her name. Her name in Vietnamese. I just know this one, Lin Dan. So I always call her Dan, like that.
Could have one friend is Lindan too.
Oh, really? You have a friend named Lin Dan?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You have a lot of friends, huh? You have a lot of friends. Many, many friends.
Many don't have
Oh, are
many.
many. Are all of your friends kind? Are all of your friends nice? Are they nice to you? Are they kind to you?
Nice.
Okay, that's good. That's good because being friends with other people, so
Oh
we share
no! Oh
kindness.
no! My turn. Oh no! It's my turn. No, it's my
Okay.
turn.
Oh,
Charlie, it's your turn. Thank you. Oh, good, good job, Charlie.
okay, very good. Wow. So that is our story. So let's go back to our story. Our story is all about my turn. So now again, Jessie, what is the game that they are playing? What is the game?
Basketball.
Very good. Basketball. Now, what do you think happened in this picture? What do you think?
Hmm.
They are,
They are
they
hit.
don't they don't want to share the ball. Look, they are both holding the ball and they said, "It's my turn. It's my turn." No, it's my turn. Are you like this when you really like the
Hmm.
when you really like the ball? Do you share it with your friends or you're like this? You say, "No, it's my turn." Do you share?
I
Do
would
you?
say.
Okay, wow, that's so
Cherry
nice.
is the full fast. Cherry and fairy.
Okay, wow, very good, very good. Because sharing is being kind, not like this.
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher, what? Teacher,
yes.
you know what I what I think a song in what?
What
I
song?
watch TV. I watch TV in Coco. Its
Coco?
its its name is Coco Melon.
Oh, Coco
Coco.
Melon. Oh, do you know that one? Oh, I know that one. They have a lot of songs, right? Do you watch Coco
Coco.
Melon?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coco Melon. Happy birthday, Coco Melon.
Do you watch Coco Melon? Do you watch Coco
Yes,
Melon?
because I have my daughter. My daughter is 1 year old. But he is very like to 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 see a Coco Melon. And
Oh, that's
what's
why.
Coco Melon? And I and
And
I
you
and
watch.
yes, and I was and I know.
Oh, do you know the song "The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round"?
My daughter very like, but my grandma không.
Oh, you also like that? No.
No, I
Co-
don't like Coco Melon.
Oh no. What do you like? What song do you
I
like?
like I like is
Oh,
Việt Nam
Vietnam song.
name Việt Nam name
It's Vietnam. It's
Rabado.
how do you spell that? Rabodo?
Yes.
Oh, really? Let me check.
Mm-hmm. I got
Rabodo. Oh, I cannot see anything.
uh I cảnh sát trưởng Rabado.
Rabodo. I cannot see anything. What is that? Okay, I cannot see. Is this correct? Rabodo. Rabodo.
Chuột ra ba đô.
Ba? Rabado? Like
Yes.
like this? Like this?
Yes.
Oh, let me check. Rabado.
I don't know anything.
What's Let me check. What's this? Ah, this one? Is it this one? This one?
I don't see. No, 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 no.
Ah, no. Oh, I cannot.
It's not song.
Ah, it's not a song. What is it? It's a game? What is it?
It's a word to learn. It's to learn.
Ah,
Watch and learn.
words and learn. You learn words there.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So it's not a song. I thought it was a song.
Not a
Oh,
song.
okay. So you learn a lot of words there.
And I know to sing it. Singing is caring.
Yes, very good. Sharing is caring, and sharing is being kind to your friends. That's why this one we should not be like this. So we must share.
It's my turn.
Yes, and for this one, let's look at this third picture. So they gave the ball to the birthday
Joy.
girl, to Julie. Very good. And Julie shoot the ball in the hoop.
Your
So
basket.
yes, and what did they say after Julie shoot the ball? They
Good
said,
job,
"Good job."
Jolie.
Okay, very good. Good job, Julie. So this is what we say if our friend did
Be nice.
did good. Yes, this one is
Good.
yes. And the lesson of our story here, which is our value, we call it as be fair. Let's say
Be
be
fair. Fair.
fair. Okay, very good. Like the our value last time, be kind, be fair is somehow similar or connected to be kind. Because being fair, it means sharing,
Sharing and
taking,
caring.
yeah, sharing and taking, sharing and caring, taking turns, and treating everyone the same. It means you give chances for other people to also
Give, give
play.
for, give for, give for, give a people to play and people will give for me again.
Yes, very good. So it will come back also to you. So other people will also give chances for you to be able to play. So that is being fair. So other examples is sharing toys with your friends so everyone can play. And also, so we don't say only I can play, but we say to our friends we can play together. So
No.
not only us can play, but also our friends. So that is being fair. So do you think, Jessie, you are fair at your friends or to your friends? Are you fair to your friends? Okay, very good. Because I can see that based on your answer earlier, you said that you share, and that is being fair. So you share what you
My
have.
one story. I have one question for you.
Okay, sure.
My mom and my dad want
Ah,
to sit in my chair. Where's my mom? My dad. It's my turn. It's my turn.
It's
My
not
dad
really.
really.
Oh,
My
your
dad and my mom are saying for for
oh,
people.
oh, your mom and your dad wants to sit in your chair, right? And
Yes, but it but it but just have one.
oh, you only have one chair.
Yes, it's
And
my chair. Do
oh,
I learn? What
oh
my
they
my dad
oh they
fail.
are saying that it's their chair. Your
It's
dad
my chair, not my
no.
that is it's my chair. I sit in my table to learn.
Oh really? Oh no, but it's okay. It's normal for adults to be like that. But for you, child, so it's better to share because sharing is when you are being kind to
This
others.
is B.
Yes. So because being kind to others, Jesse, remember being kind to others, other people will also be kind to you. So that's why be kind always, be fair, and share what you have. Okay?
King.
Okay, very good. Even though even though your mom and dad doesn't want to share, so you still share.
Grandpa.
Yes, yeah. You can tell your mom and dad to share.
But I have 3 4 days. I will go back
Oh,
my
you
mom
on-
and my
you
dad's house.
oh
four
you
days.
oh you tell your
For
mom and dad to share. Oh, you only have 4 days to go back to your house. Oh wow! So it will be on Friday. Is it on Friday?
yes,
Mm,
Friday.
wow.
Friday I will go change for go to my mom and my dad's house.
Oh, you will ride a train?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, wow. So that's good to know. So take care, okay? Do you have someone to come with you? Do you have
No, I
someone?
just have brother and grandpa, grandma. Just
Oh,
go park.
oh, your grandpa, your grandma will also go back to your house?
Yes,
Oh,
I too. And
oh,
my brother too.
oh, your brother too. Wow. So that's good that you are going back to your house. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for our story, Jessie. So remember, okay, be kind to other people because others will also be kind to you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now let's have our first activity. So this activity will be listening and numbering. So let's check. Let's first listen to the numbers. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you hear it?
Mm,
Okay.
no.
One.
It's my turn.
Yes.
No, it's my turn.
One.
Okay.
It's my turn.
No, it's my turn.
Okay, so Jessie, what did you hear in number one?
No, it's my turn. No,
It's
it's my turn.
okay, very good. So, can you tell teacher which is number one? Is it picture number one, picture two, picture three, or picture four?
Richard. Richard too.
Okay, very good. Because as we can see here, so they are both holding the ball and they say, no, it's my turn. It's my turn. So that's it. This is our number one. So next, number two.
Two.
Oops.
Two.
Oops.
Okay, for number 2,
Number 1.
picture
Picture
1.
1. Picture
Uh,
1.
Okay, is it picture 1? Okay, very good. It's picture 1. This is our
Number
number
2.
2. Okay, very good. But I think, Jessie, it's the end of our time. Oh no, it's already 8:30. The time is very fast. And for this one, we will continue this activity next Wednesday. Okay?
Wednesday, 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 Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Good-
Goodbye. See you
Goodbye,
on Wednesday.
goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Jessie. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. So cute. I love your hairpin. Is it a butterfly or star? Oh, is it? Oh, it's a star, and it has a bunny.
La pupusa.
Oh, it's a labubu. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Okay, so see you again soon, Jessie. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. So cute. Wow.
Like this.
Oh, you have a bangs. It's so cute. Your bangs is long now.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye now. Teacher has a next class. See you.
See you, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye 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 bye.